Please make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to see me on videos. Thanks for support. And make sure to hit the marks my video and just my comment on it.
Good morning, class. Today, we have math start now. And Laura, what is it? 3x and equals.
I know that it is 3.
Good, Lara. And Marcus, what is this here? And 4x5 equals out is 20. Good, Marcus, what is the classic Lara? Well, if you need it. And 2x2 equals.
I know that it is 4.
Good, classic Lara. And Bob, what's it? 10 plus 20 equals. I go to the derivative 50. Are you serious, Bob? We can have to do this if it's 30. Yeah, Mr. Snooze. Get over the bathroom. Sure, Bob. I'm explode. We can go now, guys. Yeah, radio was good. Yeah. Fire! 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 Oh my gosh! Run away! Oh no! Where did this Bob? Oh no! Why do this everything us?
Finally know that it is. Oh no. I bet it.
Help me, officer! Help! Lara, we're under arrest support of fire school. Call me police car. And Noah, this is a jail cell. You stay here 7 months. Pull the fire school out. Stay in that cell.
No. I Bob said this. Whoa.
What happened, Noah?
And Bob support the fire school this explode. Whoa.
All right, Noah. Go in the principal office. Say that. Hey, Oscar. What brings me in my office today? Well, Bob was supported our fire in school, and now I'm arrested these days. Security check system of camera footage as a security check our cameras and evidence. No. Oh, I think so. We can do the evidence, check his camera to arrest Bob, please. Arrested to Lawrence police station. Okay. Laura, we definitely to go.
Oh my god! Wow!
And also, Bob, we have a visitor. My dad's witnesses. We can sleep now. Hello, Bobby. How are you doing?
Yeah! No, Bob, I do not forgive you. We can prove the final school dangerousness. You counted after calculated because you 20 to 40. After the skin the duty says, you counted for 6 years. Stay in the shower now.
Why? Yeah. And thanks for serving you, Noah. We are ungrounded. Bob is bored of high school. We go home. Mom says to Tokyo we are the ungrounded. We go into and Chuck E. Cheese. We can back in realistic.
Yeah, Dad. Thank you so much.